Remember those days when we used to play Nintendo made Pokemon games and were all crazy about them? Trying to bring that old days back, we went aboard and did something unique. We created an NFT version of that. So initially, when a player will start, she will have to create his own custom NFT, that too in AR. So as we click on the create NFT button, we are redirected to our React website. From there, as we click on the mint NFT button, we take the JSON metadata that is pushed to the server, and from there it goes to the IPFS, Spheron's IPFS, and in return we get an IPFS URL back that is used by the player to get started with the game. Now, as you can see, the NFT is getting minted in the Sepholia testnet, and these are the Etherscan. Once the NFT is created, then we move on to the gameplay, where the character, as in normal Pokemon games, would go through the scape and try to find Pokemons and hunt them down. As you can see here, the player that is being in AR is trying to find the Pokemons, and when the logic hits and a Pokemon is found, we move on to the fight scene. In the fight scene, we have the Pokemon that was minted by us, that was basically chosen by us, fighting against a Pokemon that we found in the wild. Now, before starting with the game, we need an attack for our Pokemon. So we again go and mint an attack for our Pokemon, and then the game begins. Here is the fight scene. As you can see, the fight scene is going on, and that is being played in AR. So that is giving it a unique feel. Now let us understand how this all thing is working in the background using blockchain.
So we are utilizing Spheron storage SDK for this IPFS storage like NFT metadata or NFT attributes, like we can say attack NFT attributes, HP, and all the attributes get stored on the IPFS through the Spheron storage SDK. And it works for the Node.js environment, as we know that. So firstly, the asset and all the NFT metadata get stored on the server. From server it get uploaded on the IPFS, and we will get return an IPFS hosted URL. Using a IPFS storage service through a server side is more beneficial than the client side, because it will help to get reduce the client load and NFT access metadata in offline, and increase the scalability, and it will help in the asset management on the server side then, and it will help in the future plan of incorporating the multiplayer environments in our game.